It's your boy Armin and welcome back to Amoy Piranha! For today's episode, we're going to talk about this fragrance na I've been wearing this almost every day, every night. Matutulog ako, sinusuot ko na naman siya. Paggising ko, sinusuot ko na naman siya. It's kinda giving me that parang addictive vibes. Parang na-addict na ako sobra sa itong pabango na to. And this one, it makes my cravings more satisfied. Dumating sa point na parang ayoko na bumili ng mga niche fragrances. This is real talk ha. May mga niche fragrances na vetiver base na nasa wishlist ko. Because of this fragrance, huminto ako at parang ayoko na silang bilhin. Kasi this one make me more happy. Make me parang, wow, this could be on expensive niche brands out there. What I mean, itong juice could be on expensive bottle. I'm talking about first release ni Mr. John Greg Parilla. This is Vaux Papier. Grabe. Look at the dent of the bottle. I've been wearing this. It's very addictive. Sa tingin ko, after few months siguro mauubos ko na siya. Then bibili na naman ako agad. So let's talk about Vaux Papier. So si Mr. John Greg Parilla, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, he is an influencer and fragrance reviewer, lifestyle dito sa Pilipinas. And sobrang sikat niya. Napaka-humble, napaka-down-to-earth, and very approachable type of a person siya. So, etong Vaux Papier, he collaborated with Club Noah, and nose behind of this fragrance is none other than the talented perfumer. Sobrang sikat na nito dito sa Pilipinas. This is Renato Lopena Jr.'s creation dito sa Club Noah, which is collaboration with John Greg Parilla. So, let's talk about Vaux Papier. So, scent profile of this scent, initial blast pa lang, you will smell here the juniper berries. The juniper berries gives that spicy effect, that woody facets niya, and it's very piney. It represents like parang nagta-travel ka talaga sa forest. That will make you initial pa lang, dun mapapaisip ka na talaga na wow. Then after that, you will smell some citrusy notes, which is bergamot, and very refreshing yung bergamot niya, but sobrang angat na angat dito yung juniper berries sa top. Then after that, dito na lumalabas yung the star of the show, which is Vetiver Filipina. And that's the color. That's the impact ng Vetiver Filipina dito sa loob ng juice na to. Then after that, you will smell that may pagka parang spiciness, you will smell that mossiness in the dry down, and you will smell, there is this parang may amoy ka din parang naughtiness ng Vetiver niya, and you will smell that leathery facets and woody facets and mossy facets at the dry down. So for me, parang pag sinusuot ko to, it gives me that parang how gentlemen should smell like. From 80s, 70s, 90s, talagang tucked in talaga. A jacket, naka-simple lang, very crisp clothes ang mga sinusuot dati way back before. Ito yung klaseng scent na how gentlemen should smell like. How a man should represent himself. How money talks. How wealth whispers. This one is a EDP concentration and it is a 50 ml. And by the way, look at the sprayer of this one. Napaka-pressurized sprayer and very, very powerful. And let's talk about the performance of this scent. The performance of this scent, the projection of this one is very loud. 2 to 3 hours projection. Grabe, ang lakas niya. Akala ko wala na but people can still smell me. Sabi daw nila, ang lakas ng pabango mo, Armin. Ano ba yung suot mo? Sabi ko, I'm wearing the new release ng fragrance ng isang sikat na influencer, which is John Greg Parilla, which is Vaux Papier. You wanna get your nose on this one? Sabi ko, punta ka doon sa Club Noah, bumili ka. Or message him to buy this fragrance. Then, the longevity of this one, it lasted on me until the next day. Until the next day. Sa damit, until the next day. I am not joking. Ang tagal. But syempre, depende sa skin chemistry niyan. For the sillage, this one has a very, very big scent trail, man. Itong Vaux Papier. Okay? So, abangan na lang natin ang itong Vaux Papier sa November 8. And if you're really interested to buy this fragrance, just message nyo na lang ang Club Noah or message nyo si Mr. John Greg Parilla. I'm very, very proud and to have this into my collection, and I think this is worth full bottle in my opinion. And highly recommended ko itong Vaux Papier. Don't forget to check this one out. This is backup bottle worthy for me, and This is for the vetiver lovers out there if you really love vetiver. It doesn't matter pleasing vetiver, hardcore vetiver, niche kind type of a vetiver, magugustuhan nyo to for sure. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo tong review na to. And until next time, Fragrance Family, abangan nyo mga upcoming reviews natin. Love you so much. God bless you all. And wag natin kalimutan, lagi magpabango sa sarili natin, hindi para sa ibang tao. Till next time, Fragrance Family.